What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're going to open up and get a close-up look at the brand new Walmart exclusive American truck set. There's a total of 10 trucks in this set, and they're all listed on the back of the cards of each truck. Let's go ahead and open up truck number 1, the 1940 Ford pickup. (1949) Ford F1. (1970) Dodge Power Wagon. (2015) Ford F-150. (1983) Chevy Silverado. Path Beater. Custom 1962 Chevy pickup. Dodge Power Wagon. Custom 1969 Chevy pickup. (1963) Studebaker Champ. Comment down below which was your favorite truck from this set.